Welcome to the foam party, namely Ethos Car Care's foam party. So welcome back to the channel, everybody. Martin with Bellevue Auto Spa, and today I got another Ethos product we're going to be reviewing. It's Ethos Foam Party Super Concentrated Pre-Wash Foam. Now, I have asked about this. While it is their pre-wash foam step, this is not a high alkaline, kind of stripping pre-wash. So it's not super aggressive, but it's enough to get your car clean. And you can use this just as dedicated pre-wash and in the bucket, or you can use it as your first step and use a different soap as your second step, because Ethos does have a graphene and a ceramic infused shampoo. I've done a review on those, so if you want to use something like that, great. If you want to use just a pH balanced shampoo with nothing else in it, this is what you want. So this product's been around for a while now. I got the information on the back here. So foam, they give it 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 stars. 5 stars for cleaning, 4 stars for shine, and 5 stars for scent. Scent-wise, let's see what it smells like. It smells like coconut? Is that coconut? I guess. That's how I describe it. I may be wrong, though. I'm terrible at describing scents. But anyways, it says add 2 to 3 ounces into your foam cannon or foam gun. Fill the rest of the container with water. It says extremely concentrated. Now, I've got some stuff that is extremely concentrated. 3D Super Soap, that is extremely concentrated. This is not as concentrated as that, but this is more concentrated than some soaps really use 4 to 6 ounces. So I'll give them that. So we got the MJJC Foam Can S version 3 here. I've got it with about 250 mils of water because I'm not going to be doing the whole car of this. I'm just doing a demo. So I'd say we need about an ounce, ounce and a half. So we'll eyeball it. I'd say that's enough. This is a very watery soap, which is good because that means it dissolves very easily. I was expecting it to be thicker like their other soaps, but not this, so that's good. Get that on there. So already dissolved. Look at that. Good stuff there. So let's get over to the car. The car is pretty dirty. I've got one side of it clean because I've been testing out other products. But I think we're going to do the back of the car this time. And we'll see how it works. We'll test out a few aspects of it. So let's get over to the car, take a look. So we got my lovely wife's car. This side's been cleaned. This side is not clean. Top's dirty. We're going to wash the trunk off area, or the trunk area off. Trunk off area, what the hell? And see how this does as a pre-wash and then just as a actual wash. So I'm going to get the camera set up and we'll come back with foam cannon. Alright, let's get this foamed on. Check it out. Got it on max foam. So let's see how it foams and how it cleans. Alright, well, they said foam party. They were not joking. So that is a very thick foam. Good Lord. That is some thick foam. Absolutely. I'm going to let that dwell for a few minutes. We'll see how it looks. Or we'll see how it cleans off. Right off the bat, I notice it's not clinging as well as some other dedicated snow foams. You can see it's kind of fallen off in clumps. Now, other dedicated snow foams have tried to leave this layer of microfoam underneath, and they will just sit there and not move. So this isn't doing that, but again, it's not a big deal. It'll be easier to rinse off at least, but we'll see how much dirt it pulls off. Because at least this, with the big clumps falling down, it's pulling dirt with it. So that's one aspect of it. It's nice. All right, it's been a few minutes. Let's rinse it off. We'll see how well it rinses and gets that initial layer of dirt off. Then we'll contact wash with it. So let's see. All right, so it rinses pretty easily. That's good. Check it out and see how well it cleans. Look real close, and yeah, you can still see dirt on here and everything like that. As expected with pretty much any soap, save for a couple I've tested. But those are dedicated touchless washes. This is not. So I'm going to foam it down again. We're going to contact wash and inspect our results after that. Let's get to it. It's a lot of foam, man. Grab the wash mitt. Smells so good. It smells like pina colada. Maybe that's the scent. Car's been through a lot in this past week. My wife hit a curb pretty hard. Had to get an alignment. Suspension's bent. All kinds of stuff, so.
Is this yours by chance, sir?
No, it's not mine. Get the spot right here. It's easy to miss areas down here. All right, now let's rinse it off. All right, looking good. Coating's still doing all right. Let's go check it out. Yep, nice and clean. Can't ask for more. Soap doing what it should, so no complaints there, right? Good soap. Let's go in for the final thoughts. All right, so Ethos Foam Party. Yeah, they named it Foam Party for a reason. Let's just say that you get you get some really good foam out of this stuff. So cleans well, does a good job. If you want to just use it as a pre-wash, great. You can also use it as a contact wash. Either way, I think you're gonna be happy with this, especially if you like the smell of pina coladas. But that's all I got for you guys in this video. Hopefully you enjoyed it. Ethos is coming out with a lot of products this year, and I was talking to Tim. Tim's he's like the head honcho at Ethos. Tim said he'll get more products into my hands as they come out. That way I can review them for you guys and make good content. So thanks Ethos for the products sent out so far. They did send me this one, by the way. I forgot to disclose that. They didn't send me everything I have, but they did send me some stuff after they started seeing like my reviews. Usually how it goes, right? Hopefully you enjoyed the video. Give it a thumbs up if you did. Leave a comment down below. And make sure you subscribe to the channel. We are almost at 6,000 subscribers, so I hope to get there soon. If not, by the time this video is released, I don't know when I'm going to publish it, but it'll be published when you see it. But I will see you all in the next video. Keep them clean. Have a good one.